Hi, I'm Katie Walker from Property Brokers in Taumarunui and welcome to Ribbonwood. Ribbonwood is located at 66 Kirton Road in Taumarunui. It is just over 100 hectares subject to survey, flat, easy contour dairy farm. So come with me and I'll show you around. There are approximately 100 hectares subject to survey, plus 2 lease blocks that make up a 125 hectare milking platform on this farm. This farm has a great location. It is only 8.5 kilometres to the township of Taumarunui. One of the top features of this farm is the contour. It is flat to rolling and makes for really short walks to the centrally located cowshed. The cowshed is a 30 bale internal rotary with concrete yard that was redone recently. An average production of 90,000 kilos of milk solids per year from 300 cows on Ribbonwood. The main house is a 4-bedroom home, plus there are 2 1-bedroom studio units for farm staff. This property is ideal for a share milker stepping up into farm ownership, maybe adding to your existing farming operation, or possibly with some subdivision, even a complete change in land use as it's so close to town and the contour is so good. So if you'd like to know more, make sure you get in touch with me, Katie Walker, and I'll talk to you about it then.